The Philippine Air Force is gearing up for the arrival of 2 long-range patrol aircraft after a decade of continuous bidding for the project and the bid failures that may have accompanied it, which was finally achieved because Israel's Elbit Systems may have provided the type of aircraft in accordance with its wishes. Capabilities and subcomponents patterned after the Special Mission Aircraft Solutions marketed in its brochure. Israeli ambassador to the Philippines Ilan Fluss has confirmed during an interview with Inquirer.net that the first of 2 long-range patrol aircraft from Israeli defense company Elbit Systems will be delivered to the Philippine Air Force next year, based on delivery timeline indicated in the contract signed with the Department of National Defense, Philippines. Recently, according to a series of reports given, the Philippine Air Force has awarded a contract of 2 long-range patrol aircraft or LRPA under the acquisition project of the same name to Israeli defense company Elbit Systems Limited, where they will provide their supply, respective sensor suites and other components, while the aircraft itself may come from Italian company Leonardo, with the platform of choice being the ATR 72-600. It was previously confirmed by Elbit Systems that the aircraft will be based on the ATR 72-600 commercial regional turboprop aircraft, and will include a mission management system, electro-optic (O), and maritime surface search radar, communication systems, and signal intelligence (SIGINT) capabilities, all integrated by Elbit Systems. The Philippine Air Force awarded a 2 long-range patrol aircraft (LRPA) contract to Elbit Systems Limited, where it comes with a mission management suite, coupled with electronic intelligence (ELINT) and signal intelligence (SIGINT) solutions. As for platforms, the long-range patrol aircraft will come with the ATR 72-600 aircraft, which was originally designed for regional airline operations for both passenger and cargo applications. The deal finally comes with a breakthrough after a decade's worth of waiting and seeing the project facing multiple obstacles, as other projects of the Armed Forces of the Philippines already moves and the entire revised AFP modernization program under RA 10349 undertaking the entire Horizons 1, 2, and 3 phases. From this point, the acquisition project finally taking progress is already good news of its own worth. Regarding the aircraft platform used, Elbit Systems Limited prefers the ATR 72-600 aircraft, where this aircraft is widely used by many airlines and several militaries throughout the world, with Cebu Pacific Air belonging to the Philippines, which uses this type of aircraft for both aviation and aviation purposes. Passenger and cargo needs, complementing the larger Airbus A321 and A330 aircraft serving major cities and destinations at home and abroad. The widely used aircraft type in Elbit Systems Limited Special Mission Aircraft Solutions help provide the Philippine Air Force with much-needed capabilities for long-range patrol missions, especially with tensions continuing to rise between the Philippines and China in the West. The Philippine Sea, specifically the recent incident that occurred in the waters of Ayungin Shoal, a feature within the Philippines Exclusive Economic Zone, EEZ. As the advance notice for the aircraft was released in the second quarter of 2023, there are estimated delivery dates of 2025 and 2026 for the first and second aircraft, respectively. In this context, the Philippines' southwest neighbor, Malaysia, also signed an agreement for at least two ATR 72 megapixels aircraft, with a direct agreement with Leonardo for the delivery of these aircraft, with the delivery date of the aircraft also projected in the respective years of 2025 and 2026. This means that from this time period, Both countries in Southeast Asia will probably have this type of aircraft, thereby allowing both countries to monitor the situation in their respective exclusive economic zones that China wants to claim within its 9-line territory. Add to this the idea that having Malaysia as the final user of these aircraft provides an advantage to the Philippine Air Force from a logistical point of view, as it means an additional source of spare parts. Given that the contract signing and production of the ATR 72-600 will likely coincide with similar delivery dates for both countries' patrol-oriented aircraft, this provides an incentive for ATR aircraft manufacturers to fulfill these orders on their production lines, thus enhancing any future prospects of any additional orders that may come from Malaysia and the Philippines. Will allow the performance of these patrol-oriented aircraft to meet the end-user requirements established by those countries and their respective militaries. Concluding the matter of the arrival of these two long-range patrol aircraft, the Philippine Air Force has finally ended its search for a long-range patrol aircraft acquisition project, with Israel's Elbit Systems Limited getting the contract and most likely being a reference for future follow-up orders for this type of aircraft, which is widely used around the world. The world, while leveraging special mission aircraft solutions created by Israeli companies to meet the flexible and ever-changing mission needs of the Air Service branch of the Armed Forces of the Philippines while upholding its mandate to defend the country.